This is
Topsy!
just like you, just like us.
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. We're waiting for our postman. Come on. I don't think so. Our postman is called Jamie. We're coming in a minute.
Now, please, twins.
Window wave Jamie. He's here! Look, it's Jamie! And look, he's in his van! Hello, Jamie! Wait, Topsy, wave! Oh, no! I wanted that big box to be for us. Me too.
Oh, never mind, Topsy and Tim. Let's go through to the kitchen and have our lunch. Come on. Oh, help yourself to carrots too, remember?
I wish that big box was ours. I'll go.
No, it's all right. I'll go. You two stay and eat. Yes, of course.
Topsy,
It's heavy.
Mummy's talking to Jamie the postman. Come on, quick. It's the big box.
Thanks for taking this in for Mr. and Mrs. Fishwick, Joy. I knew I could count on you, Topsy and Tim.
Yes, we'll help. Hi, Jamie.
Hi.
We'll look after the box.
Can you sign?
Mrs. Fishwick knows that their big box is here, Mummy.
Well, the postman's put a note through their door, and that'll let them know. Come on, back to the table, finish your lunch.
I don't want to have any lunch. Come in. It's a chattering teeth box. Yay! And then we wait for Mr. Fishwick to get home. Yes! Yes!
I don't suppose you've seen a great big box, have you?
Oh,
There it is.
we've been looking after it really, really well.
Thank you. I can always rely on Topsy and Tim to be good, helpful little neighbours.
Yes, you can.
Now, do you want to know what's inside the box? I'll give you a clue.
A rabbit racing car. A rabbit space rocket.
Not quite. I'll tell you what, if you help me open the box, then we can all see what's inside. So just mind yourself. Let's get it tipped over this way.
The other way, I think.
That's all right. Okay.
Go on, my nephew.
Oh, careful.
There we are.
Push it back to Mr. Fishwick.
Yeah, okay. Now, there we are.
Mummy, look.
Good God!
Good, right to the edge. Oh, there. Now then.
Bubble wrap. Another box.
Ah,
A box in a box.
well, it's a special sort of box. Now, let me get here and Mummy can help me get it out.
Ready?
Okay, well, there. And,
It's a rabbit hutch.
yeah. You see, one of my rabbits, Hoppity, is going to have babies soon, so she needs a bigger hutch.